Chris, we dead. Alright, I gotta bring that in because it's gonna snag a bunch of shit. So I'm gonna actually redirect the actual backside of the base anchor into the tree so we can bring shit around, hopefully. Pull it! Tagline! Right there! Nice! Alright, so welcome back to part 2. We pick it up on this far side stem that went out over the house. We worked up the top and the limbs that were in it, and I worked my way down here, hook up another, I don't know, 8-foot log, 10-foot log, and we send it back to the original redirect, which is right where my climb line's running. Unfortunately the camera does shut off here, so I end up getting it hooked up and ready, and the camera shuts off right before I make the cut. So we'll actually just pick it back up over into the main canopy and start knocking out the tops that are left and work our way down the stem. Kinda. I mean, if it needs to fall, it's gonna have to fall down into it. Whatever you've been putting on that, Jake, put the same, because it's about the same. Ready? Yeehaw. Nice. We're just dropping them into the system and taglining them out. It's the only way we can do it. I got this top, this little top, these couple limbs. Take a few chunks of wood, and then I'm gonna fall log. Okay, here on this one, you'll notice the tagline, I don't hook it to the piece. I actually hook it just to the rigging rope. And when that being the anchor piece falls, that rope will fall down to it, and we'll work the exact same. But this is going to be a double. We'll swing it over to the small one to get it away from the house, and then cut the small one. Very nice. I'm gonna chunk some wood and then do these last two. I'll click in for that. Nice. Check out this view. Wow. Dude, you should see the It is a hell of a view from up here. I just now noticed it. I never pay attention when I'm up in the top of the trees.
Really? Is it a good view?
Yeah, sometimes I'll be editing the video and catch a glimpse. I'm like, damn, why didn't I enjoy that? Like, wow. Yeah, hell, I feel like I can see all the way to DeSoto from here. That's wild, man. All right, so we got this limb and this one here. So probably, like I did with that one there, we'll probably sneak them kind of up under and then out. I'll probably move my tying point just down to here. That way we're not playing with this union. I'll cook you in a second. I asked Jake what he wanted to do. We did 2 of them. Oh, it's that one and that one. So the rest just wood. I'll click you when I fall it. I'm gonna have to chuck all this out. It leans really hard. We're gonna rig this log section here out. I'm gonna notch in it. It's hooked up, hooked to the pulley. Make sure I scoop. Yeah, and all right. Well, what do you got on it, Jake?
Wrap.
Just a half wrap? Ooh, dude. Yeah. This is gonna be heavier than anything else. And plus it's negative rigging, it's dropping straight into it.
Right.
We don't got a whole lot of height left to play with, so.
All right, so technically, I think Jake was right. But in this situation with very little height and being right over the house, I would rather be the one to get shook up a little bit. So I requested additional half wrap. So watch me pay for it.
Keep it down until it falls over. Here we go. Oh, Jesus Christ. Whew. Good Lord.
You alright up there?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. And it went good. Just shook me half to death, but I'm gonna chunk some wood down. Yeah, I'll get you guys when I fall the log. So I'll cook you back in a minute. I'll cook you back in a minute. All right. We're getting close to falling. All right, so there's what I got left. Let's back out over the house a bit. Kind of hard to tell from this angle. Here you can start to see got a bit of a curl back to it. You really can't even see it from that angle. These wide angle cameras are so weird. It doesn't show curvature at all. Everything's downhill, crazy. So there's this little rock wall here that runs right where we need it to go. There's a couple stumps that'll work for stoppers. But then there's these pipes. Pipe there, pipe there, pipe there.
What?
Yeah, I needed you guys to save some of that. Well, we could use that wood. Make a little pile right here.
Right here?
Yep. Yeah, I don't know anywhere better. You go take it down to the septic, then it'll put a hole in the septic, crack the septic or something.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to go that way.
I just worry about fucking smashing them laterals.
Yeah, I don't think it will if there's some wood right here. Before it'll hit the wood.
We need
We'll take a handful of them. We don't need a bunch of them.
wheelbarrow and load that wheelbarrow full of wood so we can stack across this lateral.
Isn't this trash?
Yeah, but that's just gonna smash that.
Dude, do you start stacking that shit on itself? It'll have no empty space in the middle. It should take all the impact.
Yeah, but I'm saying that
These pieces like this, yeah, these will work good. I just take a handful of them. A good arm load or something, it should work. So I'm gonna have to be like, yeah, grab the chunks of wood and just make a impact pad right here.
Okay.
So I can land the end of the log onto it. I think the ground's hard enough, it's not gonna matter, but I just wanna be sure. Let me get this set up, I'll show you.
Okay, so the clip that I had showing everything for some reason crashed and did not reformat, so I'm going to try my best to explain it here. I have a drift line that I lift up and I put right above the notch. That drift line is going to keep the log from heading down the hillside. I have to fall it directly next to that retaining wall, and I'm actually going to use this stump right out here and hopefully almost bounce it off of it and use it as like a bit of a ricochet to put it onto the lumber. So it is going to be super tight, but I'm confident it'll go. We may break a brick, who knows, but let's see.
I like to practice in case I ever do want another one.
Oh shit.
Just gotta find a new.
Too much holes.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was gonna say. What the hell? Big old hole. Oh shit, man. Yeah, I might be taking a couple of them boards and laying them up there and making like a ramp up that fucking thing.
Yeah, this is a smart idea.
Yeah, yeah. Find some of these longer ones. This one.
Raw prawns, no brains. You make it easier, you make it fucking work.
Make them a little ramp right there they can get up with that dolly. That way it's not so damn hard. Hey, you can probably take like this one and just like literally put it where the tires go. That should go up it.
Yeah.
Much easier.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, me and Jake are done. We did our thing. So it went right where it was supposed to go. Everybody's so terrified I'm gonna break everything. I got lucky, super lucky this time, and I didn't break everything. It's my favorite when you rig an entire tree over the top of a house, and then when you're getting ready to fall the log, everybody starts to act like you don't know what you're doing. They're like, "You sure?"
Crazy.
But what if?
And that wasn't like it was a hard shot or nothing either. But I was like, you know what? Just to make sure. I don't even think we even cracked any of them boards that everybody said was gonna bust apart and go. I don't even think, like, cause I hit this thing. I bounced it off that. As you seen at the last second, I said, you know what? Fuck it. Boom. And I shot it over and I figured I could swing it and bounce it off that thing. But as soon as I did it, I'm like, ooh, what if it comes out of the ground? And just pops up. But we had that tagline on it. I mean, the damn log didn't even get a chance to move any downhill. Yeah. It's still all the way. It was right next to the retaining wall. It's rolled a little bit, but look what Blake did. See the rock? Look. Oh. Where he cut into it. Oh. I mean, don't you look at where you're cutting? And he wasn't playing either. He legit about cut that clean through. Like, he's in a couple inches.
Holy shit.
So when you guys get in trouble here in the next day or so about doling that chain, remind him that wasn't you. No, he's out over there probably sharpening it right now. Or switching the fucking chain out.
Oh, I think that was a brand new chain.
Dang it, man.
So that's what he's pissed off. Not the fact that it hit the rock, the fact that it's a brand new chain that was just put on it.
Some of them may not be cut through. If you roll them, I'll finish cutting them through if you guys need me to. My saw's still here. Yeah, they are. No. show down this time. Oh, look at this damn hill we had to walk up and get everything down here. So, oh, and then I'll show you the path, but those guys got to take to haul everything out. Look at this shit. Jesus Christ. I think Jake's walked this about 15 times. Look at this, just straight down. That's nuts. I guess we could have pulled the truck back into here, but it's Jake's truck. And we're scratching his truck all up. He was nice enough to drive it today, because I let my plates go outdated. And then I'll show you the path those guys are having to take. And then we're done. There they are. We'll have to go all the way through here. This, through here. Check out the koi fish. Some massive ones in there. Wow. That's wild. These big white ones are gnarly. They can hear the wood slamming, they start to get all freaky. So we gotta go up through here. Here's our ramp we made for them. Looks like it worked. Oh, and yeah, here's the area. This thing was directly under the. I don't even know what this damn thing is. Storm cellar maybe or something. Like, I don't even know. What is that thing? It's got electric going to it.
Yeah.
Oh, we're done. Get our shit up there and pack it up.
Okay.
So he's gonna get to bugging me about this other fucking tree now. Oh. Oh, that's all we have is that shit. You already got everything else, didn't you?
Yeah.
Sweet. Alright guys, well, catch you on the next one. Stay safe.